I'm going to teach you how to install Cyanogenmod on your Android mobile device, and I will use Samsung Galaxy 3 as an example because I have that device, and after the latest upgrade, it had a lot of problems. The main problem is the battery drain, and I installed Cyanogenmod and it fixed the problem perfectly. First, go to their webpage at wiki.cyanogenmod.org and search for your devices. For me, the vendor is Samsung. And I will Control F, search for Galaxy S3. For me, the version is T-Mobile, and I'm going to download the stable version because so download this guy. And then open this web page, how to install Cyanogenmod on Galaxy S3 T-Mobile, and basically follow this instruction. But there are some modifications because for this step I found that installing the clockwork mode recovery can be overwritten sometimes if you reboot the phone. So I installed TURP instead of clockwork mode recovery. TURP is another recovery mode, and it has this graphic interface. I think it's better than the clockwork mode. Here you can get TURP for your device. For example, Galaxy Mobile. As you see, so you can click this direct download link to download it. After you downloaded all the packages, you are ready to install. Okay, copy the Cyanogenmod 10.2 to my internal SD card. Power off the phone and connect the USB adapter to the computer, but not to the phone yet. And then reboot the phone to download mode by holding the home, volume down and power button, and accept the disclaimer. On Windows, run the included zdig.exe in the drivers folder of Heimdall suite. Here. Now you need to connect the phone to the computer. Then run this command line. And select the MSM. Click replace driver. Okay. Start a command line terminal by pressing the Windows key and R. Then run cmd. Okay. And then go to your download directory. And then cd the Heimdall suite. cd the release folder. Here you can see the binary is there, and I can copy this command line. After the recovery flag, you need to specify the image of the TURP recovery. So for me, it's 2 folders level up. It's called open recovery slash TURP. Then no reboot. Run the command line. Okay, done. Enter the recovery mode by pressing the power home and volume up button. select wipe, cache, select cache, and then select factory reset. And then go back, select install, then find the file, this one, install. Now reboot. As you can see, the phone is running Cyanogenmod now. After the Cyanogenmod operating system is installed, we need to install the Google applications. So connect the phone to the desktop or your laptop. Then copy the Google apps to the internal SD card. Now, I'm going to install Google applications. Turn off the phone. And then enter the recovery mode by pressing the power home and volume up button. Select install. And find the application installation file, this one. Reboot. Okay, done. As you can see, we have all the Google applications like Play Store, and the calendar came with the phone though. The most important part is the Play Store.